Hello everyone. This video is a continuation of the previous one, where I showed you how to easily add drums and bass guitar. Now I want to expand the style by adding rhythm guitar phrases. In this video, I will show you a few useful tricks you can use when adding a guitar or any harmonic accompaniment instrument. For the accompaniment, I will once again use one of my favorites, electric vintage from Kontakt. I will record several phrases in different keys, both major and minor. This will give me more flexibility later when creating style variations in Giglad. After recording and processing all the phrases, I will explain my idea in more detail. Once the phrases are recorded, I will carefully trim the first one and find the exact cutting point so it can become a perfect loop. As you know, tempo is very important when recording and editing phrases and loops. In this case, the tempo is 100 BPM. It is also very important to include the tempo in the file name of the loop. I have already processed several phrases, which are now ready to use loops. This is the final folder that I will copy and place into the audio loops folder in the Giglad library. Now I can use all the resources in my library, including the new guitar phrases. I will select the style from the previous video with drums and bass, and then add guitar variations from my library, including the new ones. Now let me explain the idea. As you can see, I already have many different guitar phrase variations. When adding phrases to a style, it is a good practice to choose at least two, for example, one major and one minor. In this case, I will use 3 or 4 to make it more clear. All phrases will be set to by chord plus note. This allows me to control exactly where each phrase is triggered. I will place these phrases in the first variation, but instead of selecting all in the key settings, I will mark only the specific key and whether the phrase is major or minor. This way, when I play, each phrase will be triggered only when I select the chord it was recorded in, or a closely related one. Now everything is ready. When I play in real time and change chords, you can hear how different guitar phrases respond to the harmonic commands. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this experiment useful. If you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel or like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye, and see you soon.